It's how-to guide on how to clean your condenser unit on your Zanussi Condenser dryer. This model's TC484, this applies to TC 483, 482, 481 and lots of other models. So first of all, open the door and then you will locate it down here. To remove, simply grab hold of the handle and pull out towards you. There we are. Next you want to take this to a shower or to a sink. Right, to clean it, that's the front end. You want to put the shower head and clean from the back end, so it's going downwards through it. So, let's get the shower. Turn it on. Remember, when you check it, you need to look through it to see if you can see light at the other end. The more declogged it is, the more efficient it will work. That means less drying time, less energy, and above all, it will mean that you'll have less wear on your dryer. Now, if you've got water, like we've got here, in between the thins, just lie it on its side, put it on a towel or a bath mat, like I'm doing now, and then leave it for a couple of hours to dry out. Right, open the door, and then to get this back in, you need to have it facing, you can see that the handle is off centre, and what you want is to have the handle to the higher part of this, and then what you need to do is simply locate, it's a bit tight, push all the way back, and it'll just neatly sit in place. Don't click, there's no clicks, there's no holders or anything to put in, and then that's it really. Just a little bit of a wiggle, it will easily slide out again. And that's it, that's the way you go really. And then you go back to your normal drying. And you can carry on using the dryer, knowing that your condenser is cleaned out and your dryer is now working the most efficiently. Thank you for watching. I hope this has helped to clean your condenser on your Zanussi condenser dryer. Thank you for watching.